Good morning. I've not been here in years. I wouldn't say years. I've been here a long time. Never seen it divided, but looks like it is divided. Looks like the water eroded a lot of this and made a little pool. Oh wow, they did big time. Well, it has to do with the hurricane. Huh. There you go. Shrink it down. That tide is coming in. Yeah, it's pulling out. There we go. There we go. That one felt a little better. That's what I thought it was. Yeah. Lizard fish. Not even in the mouth either. In the gill. Try to eat my whole shrimp whole. You better spit that up, boy. Yeah, look at it. There we go. Give me back my shrimp. Thanks for the donation, sucker. There we go. Boop. And he's... No, he made it in the water. Swallowed the whole thing whole.
Swallow the whole thing whole and you hooked him in the face.
Unless I came through the gill. You greedy little guy. At least I caught a fish. Not a monster, but it's a fish. Look at all the bait right here. Here we go. Another one. Another one. Yep. Same deal. Swallow the whole thing. Greedy, I know. This time it's... Oh no, they still have a shrimp. No! Don't get off, don't get off, don't get off. There you go. I want my shrimp.
The same shrimp?
Yeah. Hmm. There we go. Pop it out. Let him go. There we go. Another one.
Another lizard fish.
Yep.
Must have found like a school of lizard fish.
Man. Oh, go the bait. There it is. Glass minnows? Glass minnows, I think. Or, I don't know, a bunch of them right here. Rolling down that way now. Got some? Yeah. Oh, lost my bait. Bigger lizardfish. Oh, pufferfish. There you go.
Watch him puff up.
No, no.
Don't get stabbed by him.
Oh.
Well, I don't know. They got spiked. They might have.
No, these don't. Oh, he barely even hooked it. There it goes. There it goes. Puff, 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 puff. It's like a baseball. I know, like not to try to, what do you call it, stick your finger near their mouth.
Yeah, no,
They
they'll
will.
right through a freaking beer can. Yeah, pliers.
Yeah, you're gonna need them. Take them out. See if we can get them out. Skin's so soft. Oh, they deflated. Let him go. Ooh, try to bite me.
He's like, the hook's out.
I can bite your ass now. There you go. That hook good. Get back in there, boy. Oh shit. Oh. Had 2 blow ups on it.